great idea. You're gonna need that.
Oh, okay. Let me just put that right in there.
Good.
Now, how about this
You can't pack Waggles.
Waggles can't go.
Waggles, you can't go to school.
Sorry, puppy.
What about this turkey call?
No, that's gonna be a major distraction.
What is that, assistant?
The turkey call.
Why would you pack a turkey's call for school?
Because you know, when we're outside waiting for our parents to pick us up, we might want some dinner.
But even then, you can't just like eat a turkey that you did.
No, assistant, put that away.
No turkey calls at school.
Fine, I'll bring this DNA ball instead.
No. Do you know how many other kids are gonna want to play with that?
What is it, assistant?
It's a DNA ball.
No.
You know, you can't pack that for school. Mrs. Engineer, you were a teacher. Would you allow somebody to pack something like that?
No, I would put it in my June box.
What's a June box?
A June box is something where I take the toys away and they can't get it back till June.
Oh, you wouldn't want that, assistant.
Nope.
All right, so what are you gonna put in your school bag? Come on,
Fine, I'll take some of these notebooks.
notebooks. Is that okay?
Perfect.
Wiggles, do you think it's okay?
I'll take all of them.
Oh, good. Maybe one for each subject, right?
Oh, this would be a lot of subjects. I need like 5 for each subject, or a lot for each subject.
Okay. So far, you've got your
Notebooks and pencil pouch packed.
Okay. Now, what else do you want to take?
A gym bag, right?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Okay.
Gym bag, yes.
Put that in.
What else do you want to take, assistant?
I want to take the Smashers.
Zuru Smashers.
Yeah.
You want to take those for school?
Of course. What if I get bored in class?
No.
If you get bored in class, you need to read a book. You don't want to. You have to have those at home, assistant.
Okay. Now I'll take this big binder.
Oh, 3-ring binder. Is that okay, Mrs. Engineer?
It has a pencil pouch and a hole puncher and 2 notebooks.
Perfect.
That's a good choice.
Great choice.
What do you think, Waggles? Is that a good choice? Waggles, you look like you're getting sleepy. Do you want to go to? I think Waggles wants to go to obedience school, doggy school.
I think you can put them down.
Yeah, we'll put him down. All right. So while she's putting him down, let's see what else you want to take, assistant.
This binder is super big. Gotta get it in.
Okay. So 3-ring binder, some notebooks, some pencils, and what else?
A smaller note binder.
A smaller binder.
I think
Okay.
this one's for social studies.
Oh, okay. Social studies, like where you can learn where the 50 states are at, the state capitals, right?
Right, and it's all green.
And it's all green. Hey, why don't you take this ball?
Okay. I'll take it.
No, we can't take that.
I'll put that in later. Oh, I know what I'm gonna take. A Poppit!
You're gonna take a Poppit to school?
Yeah, of course. What if I get bored in class again, like after I finish my book?
Wait a minute, I don't know.
So, assistant, that's a no too.
No Poppits, assistant.
No poppet.
Hey, that's not. Did Wiggles? Is that Wiggles or is that Waggles? Did he grow?
It's Wiggles.
It's Wiggles. Oh, I think Wiggles wants to say bye to you.
Now I'll
too,
need
first
some
day.
colored pencils.
Mrs. Engineer, is that a good choice?
Perfect.
Okay, so now let's do. Oh, this is perfect.
What? Wait, what's that?
It's my drum.
You mean a thing that makes an annoying sound?
Is that noise maker, assistant?
No. You cannot take that.
That's a no. That's a no.
What about this ink? This would be good for my pens.
Yeah, ink is great. Good idea.
But it's in.
Oh,
Oh, I dropped it.
You spilled a bottle of ink.
I spilled it on the.
What happened?
Oh
Did you spilled it on the blanket?
no!
Hey, man, it's going away. Wait a minute, assistant. Is this?
It's all over me.
Wait a minute. Is that invisible ink?
Yeah, it's invisible. You put it on. You put more on it.
Wait a minute, assistant. It's gone now.
Yeah, look ready? Got it on my arm with a 1. It's
You
gone.
touched it. Oh, it's disappearing ink. It's not invisible ink. It's disappearing ink. Is that a good choice, Mrs. Engineer?
Oh, I don't think so.
No, because you're going to be doing pranks and that'll get you in trouble. You might get sent to the principal's office.
Worse, you won't be able to learn. You're at school to learn.
That's right. So that's not a good choice, assistant.
Fine. Waggles can go in. No, I'll take Waggles.
No.
Waggles,
no.
how'd you get back there? He really wants to go to school with you, assistant.
Yeah, we should just take him.
I mean, he does match your backpack and everything, but dogs are not allowed. Wonder if you have a friend in your class that's allergic to dogs.
Or if they try to bring a cat to school.
Oh.
Waggles would be so scared of a cat.
Now let's take some tape.
Okay, that's a good choice.
Glasses.
Yes. Gotta be able to see the blackboard.
And pencils, pens, erase markers, glue.
Okay.
Two
Those are
thumbs
good
up.
choice.
Mm-hmm.
What else do you have?
Crayons.
Wait a minute, that's a really small box. Oh, those are the little mini brand crayons.
And
From
my
Fox Brushes.
washable paint.
What do you think, Mrs. Engineer? Are those okay for school?
I would think those are toys.
Oh, fine. I'll take these Post-it notes.
Okay.
And what about this for art?
I think that's okay. That's good.
Okay, I'll put that right in there.
Good, good. All right, so, Waggles, do you have anything that you should take to school?
My Poppit.
Another Poppit?
Yeah. It's another Poppit.
Mrs. Engineer, what do you think?
No. No.
Fine.
Maybe if you have special permission for the teacher, right?
That's like show and tell day or something along those lines.
What about
right?
this?
Oh, please. Don't even think about it. Don't
A
even.
pop tube.
A pop tube? I don't think that's a good choice for school.
Fine. I'll take this mini Poppit.
That sounds like a good choice, but you want to ask for teacher permission.
And maybe you can use it during recess.
I don't know how. Oh yeah, I can use it for recess.
Waggles, do you like recess? He does. And Wiggles likes to. What are you doing, Wiggles? Are you just licking your
He
paw?
likes to sleep.
Wiggles. Okay. Wiggles is just hanging out.
And now, another Poppit. This one's one of my favorite Poppits.
I think maybe one mini Poppit, but only if the teacher says it's okay.
Yes. I mean,
Fine.
I'm pretty much certain that all these need to stay home, young lady.
Yeah, you got a whole box of Poppits. You can't take those.
Fine, fine, fine. What if I wear it on my wrist?
A wrist Poppit? Wait a minute, like a watch?
A bracelet.
Oh.
That way in class you won't suspect anything.
Oh, that'd be a sneaky Poppit, right? What do you think, Mrs. Engineer? As a teacher, would you allow it?
No, absolutely not.
That would go in the June box?
It would go in the June box, and you know what? I would be able to trust you to make good decisions.
No, yeah, you would break the circle of trust,
Look
wouldn't
at
you?
Wiggles. Circle of trust. Wiggles is in the circle of trust.
Wiggles.
Right now.
Oh, Wiggles is so disappointed that you even thought of such deception. Wiggles.
Wiggles.
Wiggles, are you okay? Wiggles? Oh, you can. All right, what else do you have, assistant, you're going to take to school?
Well, no.
Oh, this isn't even a Poppit.
Ooh, it's like a...
And all this is a no.
No, you can't, she can't take any of that?
None.
What are these little worm-looking things? Can I go?
Look at it all.
No, they may not.
No marble mesh.
No marble mesh.
No ring thingies.
No ring thingies.
That could probably go, right? Like, it's just like a little concentration toy.
It's like a concentration toy, but you know what? Everyone's gonna want to take it from her, so.
Gotta ask.
Fine,
Right?
a mini pop tube.
Oh gosh. No.
All right, so what, other than fidget toys, do you have anything else that you need to take to school?
Okay, I think I do.
I didn't see like real pencils. I only saw mechanical pencils. Do you have
That's
any?
all I use.
I know, but wonder if you run out of lead or something.
I have a bunch of lead.
You didn't pack it.
Oh, there's some right there.
Ah, perfect.
So you should put that in your. No, why are you putting disappearing ink on your lead?
No, this is the real ink.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? So if you put real ink on there?
No, that's the real ink.
Oh, it's disappearing ink again.
That's what I would do to my teacher.
That would get you sent to the principal's office.
Oh.
All right, let's see. You got some glue there. You want to take the glue, right?
Oh, of course.
And some tape.
I also have some glue. I already took the tape. This is an extra one.
Oh, that's for your
Actually,
home.
this one belongs to me.
Nope, nope. No, no.
All right, and what else? Is there anything else that you need to take to school? Lunch money, some maybe extra mask, right?
I got some masks down here.
Just in case you need a mask, right? And then what else?
I got a fidget spinner.
Oh, that's a neat little fidget toy there. Mrs. Engineer, what's the
Well, I
verdict?
like that it doesn't make any noise, but I'm gonna say it's a no.
No.
It's a no.
All right, assistant. So we've had a good day packing up your thing, and we still have to take lunch. What are you going to take to lunch for your first day of school? What is going to be in your lunchbox?
Ritz and cheese.
Grits and cheese.
And then what's the fruit that you're gonna take that starts with
Apples.
an S?
Strawberry.
Yes, strawberries.
Strawberries. And what kind of sandwich do you usually have?
Oh, the Ritz and cheese is my snack to hold me over.
That's your snack, but what's your main meal for?
Bagel and cream cheese.
A bagel with cream cheese. And what are you drinking in your thermos?
Water?
Water, that's right. So water, strawberries, bagel with cream cheese. And do you have anything else in your lunch?
I usually eat some Oreos too.
And a couple Oreos, but only when you're finished with your good healthy food, right?
Yeah. What about these chatter teeth?
I don't know. What do you
What
think?
if
Mrs.
someone's
Engineer?
grandma comes into school and they need another pair of dentures?
Okay, first of all, I like that for science class, but it does make noise. So it's a no.
It's a no.
Fine. What about this alarm? That way I know when people get into my locker.
Again.
I must say it's probably a no.
But you are giving me a lot of fun things to play with while you're at school.
Man.
What's that right there, assistant?
Putty.
Putty?
It's amazing putty.
Show me, how does it work?
Okay, I gotta get this laser out.
Laser? I don't know if you should be taking lasers to school.
That's not a real laser. I got it. Okay. Here, ready? It makes it purple.
I think maybe that would be okay for show and tell or for like a science experiment, but I don't think she should take it to school every day. What do you think?
Not every day. No.
Man.
So show us again how that changes colors, okay?
Okay, so I put the little light on it, and it changes color.
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
It doesn't change color of you, though. I've already tried that.
It's just a black light, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you ready for the new school year?
Yeah!
Yeah, me too. So it's really fun so you can learn some things that you can take to school and can't take to school, right?
Right.
Waggles is a you can't take to school. This is Engineer, what do you think? What is your rule of thumb about what things kids should take to school and shouldn't take to school?
Anything that's going to be a distraction, keep at home.
So keep your distractions at home, but keep all your school supplies in your bag, right?
Right, and one more thing I'm gonna take is flashcards.
Flashcards, that's right. That's
Good idea.
super good idea, because the assistant is a good student, right?
Right.
Excellent student.
All right, assistant, because you really try hard. So she's all summer long, she's worked on her vocabulary words to get ready for a big test like that she knows she's going to have at the beginning of the year. So she's like studying.
It goes throughout the whole year.
Oh, wow. All right, people at home, what do you think about this? Are you excited for school? Have your parents let us know, and remember to have them subscribe to what?
The Engineering Family.
So subscribe to the Engineering Family and check us out on the Roku app, on Happy Kids TV, and what else?
Amazon Fire TV.
And Apple TV, right?
Right.
All right, everyone, including Waggles.
And Wiggles.
And who's Waggles?
Wiggles is sad for me to go.
Wiggles doesn't want the assistant to go to school. He wants her to stay home all summer, and so do we. But you gotta go to school. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye. Bye. Oh, that wakes you up, huh? Now you're awake?
Let's see if it wakes up Wiggles.
Waggles.
Bye.
Waggles, can you tell the people at home bye? Can you tell them to subscribe? Say subscribe. Waggles, subscribe. Wiggles, subscribe. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Oh, that's it works.
Now you gotta take him outside.
That's right. Bye, everyone.